Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on search bar and type here services, then click here to open it. On this window, you need to just scroll down and search for Windows Update. Right click on it and click on stop. Now close this window and to the next step. Click on search bar, type File Explorer, click here to open it. Now on this window, you need to just open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now just scroll down and search for software distribution. Open it and then open download folder. Here we need to delete all these files. Select all, right click on it and click on delete. Click on continue. OK. Now close this window. In the next step, again go to search bar and type here services. Click here to open it. Now scroll down and again search for Windows Update. Right click on it and click on start. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.